In this video, we will show you how to create a test. This is your dashboard. Your recent tests are listed here. To view a detailed report of an ongoing test, click on the test name. This screen shows the detailed report and other usability metrics. We would get into the details of this in another video. Now, let's create a test. It's a simple 4-step process. To get started, click on the Create a Test button. This opens the test creation wizard. The wizard has 4 really simple steps: test details, set up tasks, participants or testers, confirmation and launch. Let's take you through into each of the steps. As a best practice, prepare the test details in a separate text file. That makes it highly convenient to create a test quickly. Enter a test name. The test name should be easy to recall. You can create a test to test a prototype of a new design. The prototype can be an Invasion app, Figma, Proto.io, or any other design prototyping tools that generate a public URL. You can also test websites on mobile devices or computers. Mobile apps built for Android or Apple iOS can also be tested. Let's create a test for smartphone devices. Select a date on which you want this test to complete. On the right side, additional information can be added to welcome the testers and set high-level expectations. I would just copy and paste the message from the pre-prepared text file here. This replaces the existing placeholder message. Similar to the welcome message, the message shown to the testers at the end of the test can also be edited. Now that all the items in the first step are up to date, let's proceed to the step 2 of test creation. This is the task creation step. Now we will create tasks that the participant shall be performing. Here we enter the description for the task, the instruction that the testers need to follow. The start page of the task can be different for each task. It can be set here. To add a new task to the test, use this button. A task can be deleted anytime using the trash icon on the right side. Let's create our first task. Like before, the task instructions have been written, pyro and reviewed. Review the task description and make any text adjustment if necessary. Open the website or prototype which you are testing and fetch the right URL. Copy the URL. In this case, we are testing a live website. Paste the URL of the web page on which you want the testers to start the test. For ease of test creation, the URL gets automatically copied into the Start URL field of the subsequent tasks. This can be modified later if necessary. For every task, you can add 1 or more survey questions. These questions shall be shown to the testers at the end of the task. The survey questions have already been prepared. We will copy and paste that in the Add Survey Questions pop-up box. At the time of preparing this video, 3 types of responses are supported: short text, checkbox, and radio buttons. More option types will be added with time. For example, Likert scale. To incorporate the options, just copy and paste the option list. The options get populated automatically. The survey question for this task can be saved by closing this pop-up box. The orange indication serves as a confirmation that survey questions have been successfully added to the task. Repeat the previous steps to create other tasks. Review and re-edit the task instructions as necessary. For each task, the UXArmy platform can help to decide a success or failure. Use the available criteria types. Task completion time and success URL can be selected. The expected time to complete the task should be specified as task completion time. If the task is not completed within the completion time specified, the system would mark that test in tested response as fail. For success URL criteria, the system shall match URL specified in the criteria with the URL at which the tester completed the task. In case there is a full or partial match, the task shall be classified as success. Now that the tasks and survey questions have been set, let's move to the tester recruitment. Testers take your test and give usage feedback while using your product. The system supports 2 sources of testers. 1. Your own testers. Up to 10 of your own testers can be invited for free. 2. Panel testers. UXArmy panels a rich pool of diverse people from all over Asia. The number, age range, gender, nationality, and over 40 behavioral criteria can be specified. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will proceed with only 5 of my own testers. We then move to the next step, which is about review and confirmation of all that we have created in the test so far. After review of information, you may choose to edit the tasks. You can do so using the Edit button. It takes you to the step 2 in test creation. Check through the other steps. If all looks good, press the Launch button to launch the test. Congratulations! Now your test is ready to be taken by the testers. As it states on the screen, the system is awaiting response from the testers. Just a few more words for your testers. For testers to take this smartphone test, you will need to send the instructions in this dialog box. The testers will need to download the User Advocate app. The testers will use the invitation key shown here to take the test as a guest tester. Copy and send the instructions. That's all for now.